The link to order both books is in the About section below. My friends, it's Coach Vigue, it says above my head, your official online YouTube yoga and Pilates guy. What a pleasure it is today. We're filming inside because it's freezing outside, doing the voiceover because this room echoes, but it's good to be with you. This is yoga for stiff athletes. Any sort of stiffness in the back, in the hips, in the legs, in the arms, shoulders. We're going to cover as much as we can in about 15 minutes here. I'm tucking in my shirt. Make sure you are checked in below with questions, feedback, and requests as we do our darndest, work our hardest to improve our athletic performance on each and every level. This workout is great for everybody, so share it on. I think I got my spiel out there. All right, improving our performance. Let's begin with some child's pose. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Take the knees wide, feet together slightly, and press back. Let's focus on the breath. And what I mean by that is when you inhale, you're going to breathe into your front, your sides, and your back. So your abdominals, your sides, and your lower back. Breathe into the entire core. You want very deep, efficient breath that actually tones your center and lifts your body, improves posture. Sinking your shoulders back, away from the ears, armpits down. Fingers forward, shoulders back. Great way to really open up your back and decompress your spine. Child's pose. All right, pressing up, sitting on the heels or cross-legged position. Couple shoulder rolls here. We like to get those shoulders up and back. Inhale, lift. More than a couple, actually. There we are. Inhale up, exhale back, keeping the posture open, keeping mobility in the muscles so they are supple. Lace the fingers behind you. One of my favorites here, the mudra. Drop the shoulders back. We're opening the chest, opening up your breath. Relax the jaw. So be aware. Are you clenching your teeth? Now sway the head side to side. You always want to come to your practice, your yoga practice, or your practice for your sports, for your athletics. You want to be released and focused. And the breath very, very strong. Side to side with the head. Keep sinking the shoulders back and down. Open up a little further. Always stretching the anterior side of your body, the chest, abdominals, the throat. There we are, a little rocking. Those shoulders are back. That shirt is really tucked. And moving into downward facing dog. Classic Pilates. Let's bend the knees. A little different variation here. Going to bend the knees, relax the shoulders, pressing back through the glutes, stretch the arms, getting a huge stretch in the back. Fingers spread wide. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. Deep, deep breathing. Decompress the spine. Now lengthen that right leg as much as you comfortably can. Focus the stretch behind the knees so you're attacking in the most beautiful way your hamstrings, your calves, into your glutes, up your spine, into your back. Switch sides. 3 breaths. Breathe into that stretch. What that means is as you exhale, let that leg lengthen a little bit more. As you inhale, let your body and your mind center and focus themselves. Sink that left heel down. It might touch the floor, it might not. Now switch sides again. Lengthening that right leg, add a little twist. Good old twist, opening up the sides, opening up the lower back. Shoulders pulling away from each other. Relax the shoulders. Now other side, bend the right leg, right knee. As you sink that left heel down, we're adding the twist, some rotation. All athletes need focused, powerful, and controlled rotation on both sides. That's what we're doing. All right, knees down. All right, again, sitting on the heels or cross-legged position. Sean, get your hands out of there. Arms up over the head. And cactus arms. Very slowly pull the arms back and down. It's a Coach Vigue classic. Cactus arms whenever we can, in every pose, to open up the posture, align the body, and really open up your breathing for maximum breath intake. Shoulders back and down. Relax the jaw. Now lace the fingers again. There's that mudra. Take your time. Break apart tension in the chest and the front of the shoulders. You want to keep reinforcing good posture with the shoulders back and down. Okay. I held up the finger there. All right. Left arm slides through, thread the needle, or take the other arm. You could kick that leg out too if you wish. Arm to the lower back, or take the arm forward. This is called thread the needle. So we have this beautiful stretch in the spine. We have a twist also. So you're constantly on each exhale rotating further. So you're reaching that arm further through, stretching the shoulder. If your foot is out, if your leg is out, you're pressing the foot into the floor to assist you in that twist. Open it up. Your body thrives on these stretches. I don't have to tell you that because you're feeling it right now. Now take that right leg, cross it over the left. Hands are on the shoulders or slightly in front. Little impromptu stretch here, going out down the back, the outside of the leg rather. Getting some nice bend in the spine, little twist, and some work, some stability work in your shoulders and chest. Keep reaching that right foot, if it's that leg, back further. All right, shake it out. Now sweeping the other arm through, thread the needle here, or the leg goes out. Pressing that front hand into the mat, or bring that front arm in to your lower back. Again, rotation. Each exhale, gently twisting and opening up the lower back, opening up your sides, and of course, stretching the spine. Deep breathing. If your body feels stiff, how is this pose helping? Just feel better. All right, now take that leg back behind you. I don't know the name of this pose. If you have a really good idea for a name, a title for this pose, put it in the comment section below. And maybe your patent, your trademark will go international. Sliding that leg back. Some nice movement in the back, some pliability. Remember, the muscles want to be supple, easy to move, very durable. All right, shoulders back and down. That's an athletic shirt tuck right there. All right, left, check this out. Left arm forward, or right arm if you want to watch me. Place that hand on the mat, or bring that arm up and over. So we have this is actually a puppy pose. It resides in between child's pose and down dog, and we're doing a twist to it. So bringing that arm up and over. So length in the spine, adding a twist, keep stretching forward, and some nice hip work too with the knees on the outside edges of the mat. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. You're constantly rehabbing, renewing, and regenerating the body with these poses, with Coach Vigue. All right, right arm forward, or the opposite of what you just did. Hand to the floor or up and over like that. You'll figure it out. You can always modify as you need to. Remember, my friend, this is your routine. Take it and do it anywhere at any time. And share it with your teammates. Share it with your coaches. Get everyone training with Coach Vigue. Good, deep breathing. Feel the sides poofing out, the back, even sending breath into your back. Avoid shallow chest breathing. That's exactly what it is. It's shallow. All right, coming up. And right foot forward. Low lunge. Classic. Lining up the right knee and right ankle. Sliding the back leg back. Hands on the thigh or bring the arms up. Palms facing in. Classic low lunge. Working balance and core strength and focus and flexibility. Reaching up and back with the inhales. And keep those shoulders down as your fingers are extending tall. Shoulders down. Cactus arms. Pull it up and back. Now adding a twist. Bringing the left arm to the right leg. Hands together. And each exhale, twisting. We call this a prayer twist. Hands together in prayer. You can pray if you want, or just do the pose and breathe. All right, stepping back, downward facing dog. Let's walk those legs 10 times. Look at that twist. Another Coach Vigue regular right here. I love down dog, and I love adding walks to the down dog to really add a dynamic stretch to the pose, moving all the way through your range of motion. Okay, now I just brought my right foot forward. That's an error. Bring your left foot forward. I'm going to discover this in a moment. We should put in an 80s laugh track here. Look at I'm thinking about it. So your left foot is forward. Coach Vigue is, wait a minute. Was ist das? Okay, left foot forward. There we are. It's good when the instructor catches up to the student, isn't it? Okay, hands down or hands on the thigh, or bring the arms up. Good. Shoulders back and down, palms facing in. Your eyes are focused like a laser. Breathing in the nose, out the nose. Open up the airways. There's a very quick upper lip itch. Cactus arms. Fall in love with those cactus arms. There's the twist. Bring the palms together. Right arm on the left leg. Each exhale twisting, drawing the left shoulder back. And don't let the twisting interfere with the lunge. In fact, dig deeper into the lunge. Slide the back leg back further. Bend that front leg a little bit more. Get a nice right angle there. Good. Twisting feels so good. Isn't that lovely? All right, hands down, stepping back, downward facing dog. Shaking out the legs. And left foot forward. We're going to do a warrior here. Warrior position. So the front leg is bent, and this is a cow face. So if you're going to mirror me, you're taking your left hand to your upper back, and then the right arm goes underneath, and we're tilting. You can bind the hands together or grab the shirt or use a towel or a little washcloth behind you and grab onto that. Cow face is opening the chest, stretching the back, and we're swaying towards that front leg. So you're staying open and lifted. You feel a stretch also in your neck as the arms press into the back of the head. All right, reverse it. Warrior on the other side. Get the legs first. Line up the heels. Turn that back foot in slightly. And there's the hand to the upper back, other hand or other arm underneath. And like before, maybe the hands will bind together. Maybe you need to practice it some more. Use a little towel or washcloth behind you, or grab your shirt. And we're swaying. Keep sinking into the legs. Some nice strong work and presence in the legs. Stretching that back leg and planting the feet. Cow face warrior. Announce that to all of your friends tomorrow. Just yell it out loud and see what your reaction is. If they're interested, show them this pose and how powerful it is. Wide-legged forward fold. Diving down, arms wherever you feel comfortable. Soften the knees. I'm going to reach the arms through. You can do that if you like. Doesn't feel right, don't do it. Work your way up to it. Beautiful. Deep breathing. Keep the shoulders loose. Your spine is decompressed. Feeling that, again, rejuvenation in the body. It's electrifying. To improve your athletic performance on every level. We're not just talking physically, but mentally, also with the breath and the awareness and the focus. All right, sitting on those heels or cross-legged, shoulder rolls. Lace of fingers again, mudra. Are you feeling looser in this one? Does it feel different than when you did it the first time about 13 minutes ago? Head back if you like. Relax the jaw. No clenching of the teeth. And cactus arms. Shoulders back and down. Feeling good. Okay, my friends. How you doing? Leave your feedback below. Check in below. Requests, comments. Or if you just want to say hi or name that one pose. Let's rise up slowly from forward fold, one vertebrae at a time. And it's always a pleasure, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. It's going to say that on the screen any second now. We're waiting for it. And it says it on my shirt. It's always a pleasure to train with you. Yep, that's right. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to head back to the wall. And I got something for you. You saw it at the front, but want to keep you focused. The on-the-go manuals for Pilates and yoga and power yoga. And I'm going to bring them to you right here. The link to order both books is in the About section below. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.